English-Tagalog Translation, Lesson number 26. You drink like a fish. You drink like a fish. Ang lakas mong uminom. Never in a million years did I think she would quit her job. Never in a million years did I think she would quit her job. Hindi ko talaga sukat akalain na magre-resign siya sa trabaho. I'm beaming with pride. I'm beaming with pride. Proud na proud talaga ako. Speak up, I can't hear you. Speak up, I can't hear you. Lakasan mo, hindi kita marinig. It took him a while to get over his cold. It took him a while to get over his cold. Natagalan bago naalis ang sipon niya. Stop gossiping and get on with some work. Stop gossiping and get on with some work. Tumigil nga kayo sa pagchichismisan at magtrabaho na kayo. If you get behind with the rent, you will be asked to leave. If you get behind with the rent, you will be asked to leave. Kapag hindi ka makabayad sa renta, palalayasin ka. We signaled the taxi to pull over. We signaled the taxi to pull over. Pinara namin ang taxi. We need to queue up for 2 hours. We need to queue up for 2 hours. Kailangan nating pumila ng 2 oras. Just talk away as you work. Just talk away as you work. Magkwento ka lang habang nagtatrabaho. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Huwag mo akong intindihin. Let's knock down the interior wall. Let's knock down the interior wall. Gibain na natin yung dingding. Come down for a minute and listen to me. Come down for a minute and listen to me. Kumalma ka sandali at pakinggan mo ako. Don't take on more than you can handle. Don't take on more than you can handle. Huwag kang tumanggap ng hindi mo naman kaya. Please screw in the hinge on the door. Please screw in the hinge on the door. Paki-screw mo naman yung bisagra sa pinto. Can you think back when we first met? Can you think back when we first met? Naaalala mo ba nung una tayong nagkakilala? I want to smash up everything in sight when I'm annoyed. I want to smash up everything in sight when I'm annoyed. Gusto kong wasakin lahat ng nakikita ko kapag naiinis ako. I wish the neighbors would quiet down. I'm trying to sleep. I wish the neighbors would quiet down. I'm trying to sleep. Sana tumahimik na yung mga kapitbahay. Matutulog ako. Okay, everyone, listen up. I have an announcement to make. Okay, everyone, listen up. I have an announcement to make. Makinig kayong lahat, may a-announce ako. If we can get off by 3 o'clock, the roads will be clear. If we can get off by 3 o'clock, the roads will be clear. Kung makakaalis tayo ng 3:00, mas maluwang ang mga kalsada. Hang up your clothes. Hang up your clothes. Isabit o isampay mo ang damit mo. I was talking to Jim when Ronald cut in. I was talking to Jim when Ronald got in. Kausap ko si Jim nang sumingit si Ronald. Those animals only come out at night. Those animals only come out at night. Sa gabi lang lumalabas ang mga hayop na yon. Let me look over my schedule. Let me look over my schedule. Titingnan ko muna ang schedule ko. Wait for it to cool down a bit. Wait for it to cool down a bit. Hayaan mo munang lumamig yan ng kaunti. We need to mark down the price of rice. We need to mark down the price of rice. Kailangan nating bawasan ang presyo ng bigas. Let's talk through the details of the project. Let's talk through the details of the project. Pag-usapan natin ang detalye ng proyekto. I'll grill up some oysters. I'll grill up some oysters. Mag-iihaw ako ng talaba. Melt down the chocolate for the fondue. Melt down the chocolate for the fondue. Tunawin mo yung tsokolate para sa fondue. Children grow up so fast these days. Children grow up so fast these days. Ang bilis lumaki ng mga bata ngayon.